if you want to make 8, 10, even $14 an hour working from home, wouldn't be something that you might want to do? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you where and what you need to do to earn this kind of money. But first, we're going to hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. This is Carlos and you're in Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button to say subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video, I want to talk to you, how can you make $8 up to $14 an hour working from home? Now, wouldn't you rather do that than going to work somewhere and actually get paid minimum wage? This is even better. You're working from home, you got your laptop, and you're doing something that you do every single day. And now we're gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you go to Google, because everybody knows, you gotta Google things. You gotta enter something like how to repair a drywall. Alright, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna get all the searches coming right through here, and you are gonna go and you're gonna see that you got Lowe's and you got Home Depot. Obviously, those are big companies. They already have an established name. Okay, so you gotta go here and you gotta look for something like, I looked at this before, so I wanted to like kind of get familiar with it. And you got the Family Handyman. So you're gonna click on that link and you are going to see when you enter the query on the search engine, the actual information is relatable to what you're looking for. So you see, you got the website and you gotta go and take a look at it, okay? Fix damaged drywall with this do-it-yourself repairs. Okay, it's relatable, you know, if you know anything about this kind of job. And the reason why I look for this is because I work in the maintenance department at my full-time job, so we do a lot of drywall repairs. Somebody that's not familiar with, but they have the idea of the concept, they want to see what steps they need to take so they can do these repairs. Okay, so you gotta look at this and you gotta look at this and you gotta read through the whole thing. Okay, so then you gotta back out and you gotta go and take a look at what's the next page in the search engine, so giving you the information for. So how to repair cracks and holes, how to repair a drywall. So you gotta look how to repair water damage, but you enter something that says repair a drywall. Okay, so first page, let's see, we can go and take a look at here. And basically what you're doing is you're trying to figure it out if when you enter the phrase in the search engine, you're getting the information that you're looking for. And I said this before, but just to reiterate what I'm talking about. So you gotta say repair large holes in drywall, anything over 6 to 8 inches, different from repairing small hole. And you gotta look right through this, okay? Now, let's say you wanna enter something like how to repair a bicycle. Okay, so you gotta look how to do these 5 common bicycle repairs, how to repair a bicycle. You know, you weren't really specific, so you gotta go to this website and you literally gotta read and see what this means, right? If it's giving you the information that you need for repair a bicycle, and you're gonna go through the entire first page to see if this website is related to that query. And basically what you're doing is you're a search engine evaluator, okay? So you're basically looking at the information these websites have. You're evaluating their websites to make sure that the information it's incongruent with the search engine that you're entering. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, isn't that Google supposed to do this? Well, sometimes their algorithms are not perfect, and a way that they can have the best information out there and the best experience for their customers, which is you and me, because we're searching online all the time and we want the most related and the most up-to-date information of anything that we need to look for, because there's millions and millions of things that you need to search online, because that's what these times have called for, right? When you want to know something, all you do is you go to the Google primary, and if people are actually evaluating this, if people are actually going there and saying, yes, this is related to what we were looking for, the experience for the customers will be even better, and they can actually, make even more business. So that's why creating a blog post is very good, and you have to make sure that what your title is with the information, it's exactly what you telling them, because when somebody looks through the information and they actually don't find the exact answer, then it's not related to what they're looking for, and that's how the rankings can be a little bit moved around with Google. Okay. Also, you do know that some of these people actually pay to be in the first page, so you also want to see what other websites within the first couple of pages are related to that. That's one thing, right? You are a search engine evaluator for websites. Where can you find these jobs? Well, there's quite a few websites, and if you go into Google, obviously again, right, you gotta enter search engine evaluators. So these companies are the most common ones to find search engine evaluators position with no experience required. Because why don't you need experience? Because you are giving a task by these companies. All you're doing is entering that query in the search engine, and you are gonna follow their instructions and read to see what is it that they want and if it's related to it. So it makes a lot of sense, and you don't need experience to do this, and you can make a good amount of money. And if you're talking about going to work for a McDonald's or a fast food restaurant that will pay you I don't know what the minimum payment is, to be honest with you, but you're talking $10 to $12 an hour, and you actually have to go to the location, and they will give you their schedule every single day. Wouldn't it be easier for you to do this type of job from home? And when you get enough money, then you can reinvest it in your own business if you want to do affiliate marketing, which is one of the things that I teach on this channel. But I'm going to talk to you a little bit later, if you stay at the end of this video, about affiliate marketing and what's coming in the next few months. Okay, so as you can see, the top 7 search engine evaluator jobs that pays 12 to 15 bucks an hour. One of them is Lionbridge, and this is a company that works worldwide, so you can actually do this from anywhere in the world. And I did go to a place that's called Indeed, where they post jobs, and they have a 3.4 star rating from people that have worked for them. And as you can see, I'm gonna click on it, and they have reviews, 661 reviews, 191 salaries, and 38 jobs, 71 Q&As. So as you can see, this one says it's a decent place to get by. So if you just want to get started and you don't have any prospects, or you don't have a job and you're completely broke, what better way to start this way if you can make 12 to 14 bucks an hour? And just think about it, my math might be a little off, but they literally give you up to 20 hours a week. They can actually give you up to 40 hours if you decide to do something else that I will show you on this that I'm gonna show you on their website. But if you go here, take a look. They say job security and advancement 2.7. You know that you gotta be a freelancer for them. Management's 3, culture's 3.1, and just do your research, people, because what you need to understand is I'm giving you these ideas, but you have to, before you jump into any of them, you have to do your own research to see if it fits you. There's a reason why I give you many different ways to make money online. If you don't want to start with affiliate marketing, or if you can't start with affiliate marketing right now, so you can take that money and use it to pay some bills, and maybe you can reinvest some of it for your own business. Okay, so go check it out. That's one of the websites. The other one was isoftstone.com. Okay, so that was part of the search engine that I found, and I went looking for those websites, and you can see right here is working for iSoftStone. You have the opportunity to work for one of the world's largest high-tech providers. Okay, and this is what you need to see. Earn an average to 8 or 11 per hour plus bonuses. So what that's telling me is if you do a very good job with this company, you can actually make a little bit more extra depending on the quality of the job that you do. And it says here, tasks take a maximum of 15 minutes to qualify. Okay, so this is a good way for you guys to get started. Plus, it says right here, work from home. Okay, so all you need is an actual laptop. You need to put in the time and apply for the task that they are offering to work from home. Another one is called Appen, and they are the same thing. Let's see if we can find solutions, industries, resources. Okay, you go to careers. Let's see what they got there. Say Raiders, flexible part-time home-based work that requires a computer or a mobile device. So these are jobs that you can do from home, micro tasks. That's another way that you can earn a little bit of extra cash. But we're gonna go to Raiders and you're gonna apply for the job, and then it tells you how do you apply, how do I get started. You can do social media evaluation, search media evaluation. And if you do both social media or search media evaluator, you can actually make even more money. And that's another way that you guys can actually do. And my understanding of this is that you have to go into their social media of certain companies that will give you the task for, and see what they posted about, to see the quality of the post. Is the post related to the term search of the task that they're giving you? You will rate that, and then you will get paid for that. What better way to do that? You are already on social media, right? So it's only fitting that you guys do this. So Lionbridge, this is who we are. So if you go to their translation and localization services, they got a website localization. This is one of the most valuable assets. Multimedia, which is like social media, and they also have a software app and device localization. So there's many ways that you guys can make money with this website. They also have proofreading. You know, they have options for you guys to work from home and make money. Now if we go here, let's go to Appen, and say general requirements: high-speed internet access, a personal computer running Google's free web browser version 45, and up-to-date antivirus. Basic skills: excellent web search skills and analytical abilities, excellent comprehension of written communication skills. You're already doing that, guys. So this can work if you really want to start doing something. If you pick one thing, and one thing only, to start earning between $8 and $14 an hour, as you've seen on these websites. And I will tell you to go to Indeed, enter the company name. Let's go for one. Let's go Appen. and see they got a 3.6. Exceptional work-life balance. Appen is a global leader in language and search technology services. And I mean, the ratings won't be perfect because that's just the way it works, guys. But if you got a 3.6 and you got 431 reviews, 123 salaries, and they have 83 Q&As, this one is very flexible but not a career, okay? And that's why I will repeat one more time. This is not going to make you $10,000 a month, but it's something for you guys to get started, okay? And the reason is, if you want to get started, the best way that I can tell you is affiliate marketing. And if you're brand new to my channel, this is what I talk about on my channel: affiliate marketing and starting making money online. But I want you to reinvest that money and put it back into your business. And I'm coming out with my course, and it's for those that are confused, for those that don't have a roadmap, where to start, how to get started, where do you need to get the commissions, and who are gonna be your customers. Because oftentimes everybody jumps at the first thing, that is getting the commissions, how much I'm getting paid, but you get the product and you don't understand if you're getting in a competitive market, or how can you get into a competitive market but open that little gap in it. And it's something that is, for me, it took a few years to actually understand. I failed many times, but I finally see what it needs to be done so you can do your own thing in a competitive market and still make money. But you need to concentrate on the front end of your business. That's the key, guys. Not on the back end. The commissions will come, but if you concentrate on the front end and give the best information to your customers, you will have customers for life. So I want you to take my course. It's gonna be completely free, and videos are coming in the first few weeks of 2020 where I'm gonna explain to you. And I actually created a video where I'm giving you, like, it's gonna come somewhere in here, the whole entire map out of what my course is gonna look like. It's gonna be completely different of anything that you've seen, because I want to create value in the marketplace and help those that want to start their own affiliate marketing business. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and don't want to miss that, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And also, if you want more strategies how to make money online, look at this video that's coming right up. Maybe you don't like this. Maybe you don't want to do this kind of job. Maybe you want to do the one that's coming. I will explain to you what it is on the next video. And share my videos if you know someone that wants to start an affiliate marketing business, but they also are confused. Because this is about you. This is about me helping you start in the right foot in 2020. 2019, it's already gone, guys. And if you want to start your business, there's no better time than now. So hit that subscribe button once again, and also go look at my next video that's coming right up. Maybe you like that strategy better than this one. I will see you in that video.